talking to you guys more today about the KEL2020 do-it-yourself pneumatic tube system. We thought we'd just go through all the components that you would see if you purchased this system. You're gonna have the terminal, blower, carrier, which is essential to fit to the system, power supply. This is a timer-based control module where you can adjust your timer system here, programmable timer. Also, we have straight tube that comes with the system that matches a 4-inch OD. And our most important parts on the system are our 36-inch radius bends. And we hold the whole thing together with split sleeves and an airtight tape that goes on the joints under the split sleeves. So if you got some split sleeves in place, we basically just connect it. We airtight tape the joint. People slide the split sleeve over, and then you just tighten down the bolts and you have a secure joint. It doesn't get much easier to put together a tube system than this. If the customer wants to put this blower in a remote location, it's the same tubing that sends that can be used to also extend and relocate the blower to another location. It's the same couplers that use it for sending, can also be used on the airline side of the system. And so there's a ton of modularity of this system that really hasn't existed in the tube system space until 2020 when this product was released. We're just proud of it, and we think customers are happy with it. And it's really hard to compete with an entry-level tube system in your business that has all these features and reliability that the KEL2020 has.